which expression is equivalent to x to the sixth times x squared? So x to the sixth times x squared, we can think of that as multiplying x 6 times, then multiplying x 2 more times. So essentially, we're multiplying x 8 times. Using our shortcut, we would write this as x to the 6 plus 2 power, which simplifies to x to the 8th. So the important thing to remember here is that we're multiplying x 8 times in total. So we have to figure out which of these options also multiplies x 8 times. Looking at option A, we're multiplying x 4 times, and then 3 more times. So we're multiplying x 7 times in total, which we'd write as x to the 7th. Since we're looking for the expression that multiplies x 8 times, we can cross off option A. Looking at option B, we're multiplying x 5 times, and then 3 more times, which means we're multiplying x 8 times in total. So option B would be our answer. Let's go ahead and check option C and D. Option C, we're multiplying x 7 times, and then 3 more times, so we're multiplying x 10 times in total. In option D, we're multiplying x 9 times, then 3 more times, which means 12 times in total. And which expression is equivalent or means the same thing as x to the sixth x squared? That would be option B. 5x to the third divided by 10x to the seventh equals what? Let's start by rewriting our problem. Now we're going to split this up into two fractions. This is equal to 5 over 10 times x to the third divided by x to the seventh. Remember, with fractions, when we're multiplying, we multiply the pieces on top and the pieces on bottom. So if we multiply these two pieces, we could get to the step above. So we're just going backwards. Now we can consider these two fractions separately. 5 over 10 simplifies to 1/2. And x to the third divided by x to the seventh, we have division and we have the same base, so we can just subtract the exponents. This would give us x to the 3 minus 7. And 3 minus 7 is negative 4. We've learned how to rewrite negative exponents, so we can rewrite x to the negative 4th as 1 over x to the 4th. Now each of our fractions is simplified, so we can multiply them back together. Multiplying the pieces on the top, 1 times 1 gives us 1, and on bottom, 2 times x to the 4th is 2x to the 4th. This would be our final answer, and looking at the options, that matches option B.